Welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making Crustless Tofu Quiche. It's creamy, packed with vegetables and super easy to make. A delicious, protein-rich dish for any meal. Press the tofu for 5 minutes or more to remove excess water. Cut the potatoes and broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Steam the potatoes for about 7 minutes, then add the broccoli and steam for another minute. You can also use the microwave. In a bowl, whisk the tofu until smooth. Mix in salt and white miso. Add the steamed vegetables and combine well. Spread the mixture evenly in a baking dish. Place the cherry tomatoes on top. Bake for 30 minutes at preheated 180 degrees. Serve on a plate and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this simple crustless tofu quiche. Tofu is incredibly versatile and works in all kinds of vegan dishes. Here are some delicious recipes to try. Crispy fried tofu. Golden and crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Mapo tofu. A plant-based take on the classic Chinese dish with a spicy miso-based sauce. Agedashi tofu. Lightly fried tofu served with a savory kombu dashi soup. Tofu nuggets. Bite-sized, crispy tofu pieces that make a great snack or appetizer. Tofu teriyaki rice bowl. Pan-fried tofu coated in the sweet and savory teriyaki sauce, served over rice. Tofu cream cheese. A creamy, dairy-free spread perfect for bagels and sandwiches. Tofu can be used in so many ways, from crispy and fried to creamy and smooth. I hope you enjoy more tofu recipes.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.